What's up, everybody? It's the Crypto Hype Man, back at it again with another brand new video, and welcome to my first ever live stream. Stream? Welcome everybody. Yeah, I would love to apologize, in advance in case something goes wrong. But you know how it is. Like live streams are pretty hard to do. But anyway, it seems we are rolling and everything seems to be going perfectly fine. So, if there's anybody out there who's watching my stream right now, can you please let a brother know? Can you please let me know how everything is going right about now? But anyway, today we are going to talk about the top alternative, coins that you guys ought to be buying right about now, because it seems the cryptocurrency market has really become stable. Just like you can see right over here, right? We have about 99 billion US dollars. It's almost like at 100 billion US dollars, which is very good. So hi Dave, how you doing? Pakovia, what's up? Yeah, so everybody's worried about Unify, so don't worry, it's going to be back up. Don't you guys worry. So I just wanted to find out from you guys who are watching the stream right now, is everything loud and clear? Like, is my microphone working perfectly fine? If it is, can you please let me know in the comment section below? So anyway, if everything is all right, then we are good. Arthur, what's up? Dave, yeah. So anyway, to all those people holding on Unify, keep on holding, because I still have my Unify coins and I'll be updating you guys pretty soon. But anyway, let's jump right onto the video right now, because I don't really want to talk about a whole lot of other stuff. So anyway, I'm sure you guys really want to make money, right? That's the main reason you guys are really investing in cryptocurrencies, right? So you have to be always on the lookout. You have to look for coins which are really going to take you to the next level. So that's what we're going to do. So these are basically going to be my top altcoins pretty much, I don't know, this week, this month. So I hope you guys are ready. But first of all, I just wanted to talk about Verge Coin. A lot of you have been telling me to look at Verge, and I decided to look into it, and this one seems pretty good. So Verge Coin is one of those alternative coins that I'm really expecting to really do very well. Then yeah, we're also going to look at Digibyte. I'm sure a lot of you already know what Digibyte is all about, because my first videos were about Digibyte. So yeah, I'm sure a lot of you got to find out about my channel when I made a video about Digibyte. So the other one that we're going to look at is SYNEREO or AMP. I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about SYNEREO. By the way, let me just apologize, because I'm in a new apartment and everybody's doing their renovations, so you might hear a little bit of noise during the stream, but don't you worry. So we're also going to look at Neo, or ANTSHARES, formerly known as ANTSHARES, the Ethereum killer, as many people say. Then we're also going to look at LBC, library credits. Then lastly, we're going to look at VISIO. Is it visual or VISIO? So thank you everybody that really tuned into to the stream right now. I can see people writing comments on the stream. So big shout out to everybody. Cyber TS, Arthur, big shout out to everybody. And yeah, so now let's jump into the to the video. So first of all, let's look at Verge Coin. So I decided to buy some Verge Coin. Oh, by the way, before I start, I just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. So whatever you guys decide to invest, can you please do it at your own risk? And just because I say things here and there doesn't really mean that it might be factual. So this is all pretty much speculation. So yeah, that's my quick disclaimer right over there. So yeah, let's jump into the news, to the stream. Rather. So Verge Coin, let's look at the website. Verge Coin is a pretty exciting cryptocurrency because it's very anonymous. It is totally anonymous. a lot of people are sleeping on Verge Coin for whatever reason. I have no idea. Like, why don't you guys really look at Verge Coin as a serious coin? Because this thing right over here, ladies and gentlemen, it's very fantastic. So Verge Coin, yeah, Verge Coin has actually been in the market like for a very long time. When was it created? It was created like in 2014. Whoo, that's almost about 3 goddamn years. So yeah, it's been in the market for like so long, but I just don't know why everybody's sleeping on Verge. So Verge is a pretty exciting coin, and right about now, as you can see, the price is only 116 Satoshi right now. The prices are pretty cheap. So let's look at Verge XVG right over here. So on Cryptopia, by the way, you can buy Verge either on Cryptopia and Bittrex. So as you can see right now, the price is about 114. This was the last price, and the lowest price was 105. So if you guys really want to buy Verge, I would you know, encourage you to at least try to get it cheaper. Ooh, what the hell happened? Like a few days ago, the price of Verge dropped to like 10 Satoshi. What in the actual hell is that? Do you guys see this? Who dumped Verge? This is pretty exciting. You know, like, did you guys get the chance to like, you know, scoop up some Verge for like pretty cheap? Can you imagine it dropped to 10 Satoshi? Can you imagine? Damn, I wish I was around that time. But all these things happen like in a fraction of a second. Because, you know, sometimes a lot of people manipulate these things, you know. So there might be a Verge bag, you know, bag holder, and he decided to like dump. And then it dropped to like 10 Satoshi. Can you imagine? For all those people that managed to like buy it at 10 Satoshi, they should have really made a lot of money, because that's actually like, you know, 10 times their investment right over there. So, you know, like if you guys were about to buy Verge, I would encourage you guys to actually get it below 110 Satoshi, maybe something like 105, 103 Satoshi. That would be amazing. And pretty soon it's going to go to the moon. But you know, let me just be realistic. We don't really know when it's going to moon. Nobody really knows when it's going to moon. You understand? So, but you just want to be around when that happens. As you can see right over here, do you see this? Let me just put my signals right over there. I see people in the chat saying GNT as in Golem and LBC are better choices. Why do you think that, Roger? Yeah, so can you please let us know in the comment section why you think Golem and library credits is actually a better choice. But I mean, I personally think Verge Coin has got like a very amazing chance as well. So as you can see right over here, right, the highest that Verge has ever been at like in the recent past was 191. This was obviously before the Bitcoin fork and everything, because what was really happening like in the markets, right, there was like a lot of, you know, doubts going on here and there. So all the coins, most of the coins were down like in the past couple of weeks. I'm sure you guys already knew what was happening, but right now everything is becoming stable. So I would really encourage you guys, like if you can manage to like buy Verge around this area, right, you can always sell off close to this area. Like if it's very difficult to like give advice to you guys, because I don't really know exactly what type of trader you are, you know, because trading is all about determining exactly what type of trader you are, because it's very difficult for me to like give you, you know, advice, because I don't really know exactly what your goal is. Like before you decide to like buy a coin, you have to determine your position, like exactly what type of you know, trader are you. Are you just trying to make a quick profit? Are you trying to do this for like the long run? You understand? So you know, like for me, making like a general direct video, it's going to be very hard for me to give you the best advice, because I don't really know what type of trader you are. But anyway, I'm just going to be safe, and I'm going to talk about both, you know, situations. Like for example, if you guys really want to like make some money day trading, or I don't know, weekly trading, can you please make sure you have at least 35% of your money? You understand? So like for example, when you buy Verge Coin at this particular price point right over here, right, remember I told you to buy Verge below 103 Satoshi. That's your close to that, you know, price. When you buy your Verge coins, right, you have to sell it I don't know, like my sell point would be close to this area, because I believe the price of Verge, like in the next coming months, by the end, before the end of this year, I believe it's going to be about 1 cent. You understand? So if I were day trading, like if I were just buying Verge Coin just for the sake of making a little bit of profit, I would probably sell it when I have at least 25% of my money. And by the way, I'm just assuming that this right over here around 190 Satoshi, that at least would cover over 35% back of your money. You understand? So you guys better look into Verge, because Verge released very interesting material, especially for the anonymous cryptocurrency market. So let's just look at Verge Reddit and Verge Coin Reddit. So let me just quickly look at your comments. Monero is also private like Verge, but the thing about Monero, Pivx and Dash, they are not completely anonymous. You understand? So Verge is actually very anonymous. There are actually only like two true cryptocurrencies which are completely anonymous. That's Verge and Coin. These other cryptocurrencies like Monero, Dash, Pivx, they are not truly anonymous. You understand? So Verge and Coin are the only truest cryptocurrencies which are very anonymous. But Verge has got a lot of advantages. It's way better than Coin, because it has got it recently got updated. So let's just look at Verge Reddit right now. So yeah, by the way, I wanted you guys to look at this information, because I think the devs at at Verge released a Tor wallet for Android. So this information right over here, it's like a big step right over here, because I believe Verge is the only cryptocurrency which has got the ability to have the Tor thing implemented in its wallet. So it's more like whatever you can do on a computer right now, Verge has brought it to your phone, which is Android device. So I don't really know when they are going to be able to add iOS system, but I'm sure they're going to do that pretty soon. So as you can see, this is a big step, because I believe Verge is the first anonymous cryptocurrency to actually implement like a Tor wallet. I'm sure you guys already know what Tor is. Am I even pronouncing it correctly? Yeah, somebody said that Verge has got a lot of supply. Yeah, that's invalid, but that doesn't really matter to you as a trader. You're not really supposed to be concerned about the supply. So if you look at the supply of Verge, it has got about 16 billion, and if you look at its competitors like Dash has got only about 7 million. So that's the difference. But to you as a trader, supply doesn't really matter. Supply should be none of your concern. All you have to be thinking about as a trader is your profit margin. That's what it is. And Pakovia is asking me whether I'm using the Brave browser. Yes sir, I am definitely using the Brave browser, because I'm I'm into this thing. So you just have to use the Brave browser. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know what the Brave browser is. So yeah, so anyway, as I was telling you guys about what is going to be implemented in Verge pretty soon, let's also look at the roadmap of Verge Coin roadmap, because they have actually pretty exciting stuff which is going to happen. I believe it was supposed to be released in July, but I don't know what really happened. So let's look at the roadmap for Verge. Verge has got a very interesting roadmap. Look at this: Electrum I2P server client. This was supposed to be done in June, so I believe it was already implemented. And right now, the Tor whatever wallet was just the one that I was just showing, it was just implemented yesterday. So then the other thing that I really wanted to show you, we're actually around this was what was implemented like you know, yesterday, I believe. So I'm actually looking forward to this, the RSK smart contracts. This is what I'm looking for. This is going to be huge, guys. This is definitely going to be huge. And yesterday I was listening to the podcast of one of the devs at you know, Verge, and he was very optimistic, but he said that the RSK you know, smart contracts are going to be obviously implemented by the end of August. So it's not really their fault, because it's like they're depending on another, you know, third party to like you know, do all these RSK smart contract you know, implementations. So it's not really like up to them. So yeah, this is also going to be very big, because Verge I believe is going to be one of the, you know, private cryptocurrencies which is going to have smart contracts. If you guys don't really know what smart contracts are, this is just like a facility that really allows you know, other developers to use like, you know, a blockchain. For example, Ethereum has got like you know, a smart contract ability, and you already know that there's a lot of you know, cryptocurrency coins that use the Ethereum blockchain to like build their, you know, dApps. So this is going to be very you know, amazing, because I believe you know, Verge is like one of the first private cryptocurrencies to be able to like implement the smart contract. So you know, I believe you guys are going to have your own particular times like you know, dive into Verge and just see what's going to happen. But believe you me, before the end of August, Verge is going to do very well. So you know, I'm not you just have to have at least a little bit of Verge, because man, this is going to it's really going to make you a little bit of you know, profits right over there. So Michael Antwi, what exactly do you mean? And by the way, if you guys think the stream is blurry, you have to change your settings. Can you go to HD? Like, you know, like on the stream settings, right? You can always change to high definition. Go to 1080 pixels and it's not going to be blurry. You understand? So somebody was asking me whether I have BAT. Yes, I do have a little bit of BAT, but I was very disappointed because it got dumped when it was released. So Verge is actually one great coin that you guys ought to buy, and I already told you when you're supposed to sell it in case you guys are ever going to sell it. So yeah, now let's move over to another one, another great you know, cryptocurrency that I think you guys might be able to make a little bit of money off of. So yeah, all the links are going to be in the description below, so don't you worry. But anyway, let's look at AMP, SYNEREO. Is it SYNEREO or SYNEREO? Yeah, I'm talking about this one right over here. Right now it's only about 25 cents, and can you believe it? It's like actually 24% up already. So if you guys are just watching this video right now, I wouldn't encourage you to like go and buy it, you know, right away, because it's actually 24% up. But you know, to all those people who are part of my you know, cryptocurrency private groups, I already told you to buy SYNEREO like a long time ago when it was about 6,000 you know, Satoshi. So you guys already should be you know, enjoying the profits right over there. So SYNEREO is actually a very good you know, cryptocurrency, because it's more like a social media. Let me just show you what the hell SYNEREO is, so that you guys can have a very good understanding what SYNEREO is. So pretty much SYNEREO is a group which is responsible for this website, or rather, you know, social media platform called WildSpark. So WildSpark is a product of SYNEREO. So WildSpark is let me just freaking play the video. So let me play the video so that you guys can have an understanding of what I'm trying to talk about. Then I'll catch you after the video. So let's just look at this. Okay, why the hell is it taking too long?
The internet as we know it is powered by the creation, curation, and consumption of content. Until now, curators and consumers of content were unrewarded participants in this exchange, while creators received a mere fraction of the value created online. All of this value is gobbled up by the platforms that host and deliver the content. Introducing WildSpark, a new way of supporting your favorite creators while helping others discover great content. Here's how it works. Say you've stumbled upon a really good video that's guaranteed to generate attention, whether it's a blockchain lecture or a cat in a cowboy hat. WildSpark allows you to send AMPs, a type of digital currency, directly to its creator. You then receive a special WildSpark link for sharing that content. Anyone who arrives at the content through your WildSpark link can then also reward the creator with AMPs. The AMPs are shared between the creator of the content and you, the curator who brought this content to the attention of those who appreciate it. Whenever anyone participates through the WildSpark link you've generated, you and the creator continue benefiting from it. The links are unique and permanent. You can use them to share content on social networks, blogs, or email, anywhere on the internet. With WildSpark, you'll see your content curation and creation efforts rewarded. WildSpark, a new way to pay attention.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so that's pretty much about it. Like, that's pretty much what, SYNEREO did. They decided to make, like some sort of social media sharing platform that really allows you to like make money by sharing content. Okay, because what really happens with a lot of social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the thing is, as somebody who's spreading like a viral video, you never really get to benefit anything, because only these, big corporations like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are really benefiting from your act of sharing that, content. But with WildSpark, with, this new application, you're actually able to, you're actually able to like make money off of sharing stuff online. You understand? So like, for example, this is my WildSpark account, as you can see right over here, Crypto Hype, and I've got AMPs. And by the way, AMPs is just like, the currency of one of the currencies of SYNEREO. You understand? So just like you have Ethereum has got Ether. You understand? So SYNEREO has got AMP. And this is what pretty much you can be able to like use to be able to like give money, or rather to like amplify something. So for example, let's say I'm trying to watch this video right over here, right? Reddit cringe. So for example, if I find that this video is very interesting, right, I can always try to like amplify it. I can decide to like either give the creator or amplify this content. It's more like being able to like pay somebody for their whatever thing. So I'm sure you guys already get my point. So yeah, let's try to amplify and give this. As you can see right over here, if I share it on Facebook, right, I'm able to use this particular link right over here. You understand? So if I copy this link, then I paste it like into a new tab, this is what's going to happen. Let me see. Let me get it properly.
Congrats, Tofool, and thanks to everyone for such great.
So
put this money on the 16 star.
So you're able to like use your own particular WildSpark link, right? And you can be able to like share this link on all types of social media like Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. And whenever other people use your link, right, whenever, for example, you direct somebody to use this particular link, right, and in case they decide to like amplify it, in case they decide to like donate a little bit of money, you're also going to get a share of that thing. You understand? So here you're able to like give, I don't know, 0.2 amps, and you're able to like donate and make a little bit of money. So the more people who are going to be able to like view this particular video from the link that you shared, you're going to be able to like make money from that as well. So it's not just about the creators, it's also about the people, the curators, the people who will like share the link, so everybody gets to enjoy. You can be able to like give the creator, you can also be able to like make some money off of that. So this is pretty much what WildSpark is all about. So I would really encourage you guys to be like able to use WildSpark and you know, get paid for sharing content. I mean, that's what the internet is all about. You know, you're supposed to make money for helping the cause, you understand? So yeah, that's how it is. And somebody's asking me if I'm still in Unify. Yes, I'm still holding my Unify tokens. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you another video. So yeah, I'm sure you guys already know what Unify, you know, WildSpark does by now. So now let's get back to our demonstration. So where's Cryptopia? Just a moment. Cryptopia. So just like I told you, WildSpark is going to like fully release this, you know, this whatever app is going to be like in full beta version on the 13th of August. And what's the date today? Today is the 2nd of August. So WildSpark is going to release its, you know, this app, because not a lot of people have got access to this app right over here, because it's only on like a closed beta version. And I was one of the people who actually signed up to like be part of WildSpark a while ago. So this is why I have access to it. But the full version, or rather the open beta, is going to be released on 13th August. So best believe the price of SYNEREO, or rather AMP, is going to go up close to 13th August, and today is 2nd August. So you have to be on the train and you have to be ready for the takeoff, because it's going to definitely go to the moon. So just remember the, you know, the full version, or rather the open beta, is going to be released on 13th August, and today is 2nd August, and you already know what happens when things are about to be released. So yeah, let's quickly look at AMP and see what's up with it. So yeah, so as you can see right now, AMP is already 38% up. And by the way, don't you worry about all these, you know, high figures, because a lot of cryptocurrency coins were very, very undervalued during, you know, the Bitcoin fork, because a lot of people were actually selling their alternative coins, their altcoins, to get, you know, BCC. So that's why a lot of cryptocurrency coins really went extremely down. So this is why, as you can see right now, I don't really know why the hell everything looks pretty weird. As you can see, look at the huge decrease in value, like from almost 30,000 Satoshi to about 7,000 Satoshi. Can you imagine? It dropped down by 70%. That's pretty crazy. I can only imagine, you know, to all the people that bought SYNEREO, or rather AMP, at 30,000 Satoshi, because nobody expected it to go like down that, you know, hard. Because I believe I'm also one of those people who bought SYNEREO at about 23,000 Satoshi. Then it just went down, because I didn't anticipate that the effect of the Bitcoin forking was going to be this bad. But you know, it happens. You just have to hold on to your coins and never sell. But anyway, AMP is going to be revamping itself. It's going to be reviving itself, and I think everything is going to be pretty fine. And if you guys had to like get in around these areas, that's going to be amazing. But I'm not saying that you have to buy around this price, because 9,710 you know, Satoshi, it's too high. It is very, very high, you understand? So you have to always bargain. I always tell my people to always buy something cheaper, you understand? So if I were you, if I were to buy AMP, or rather SYNEREO, I would you know, probably buy it close to or below 7,000 Satoshi, like right around this area, you know. But anything can happen, because now people are going to be buying back their alternative coins, you know. So the prices might really go drastically up, because now everything is becoming stable, and the prices are going to be, you know, be increasing like at a very fast pace, you understand? So if I were you, I'd probably buy it close to this number right over here, 7,000 Satoshi. That would be pretty reasonable. But you know, you can never always guarantee what's going to happen in the cryptocurrency market. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow is going to be at 14,000 Satoshi. Nobody really knows. But this is definitely going to go way up, because it definitely belongs. This, you know, currency right over here, it's very undervalued. Like its actual value should be around 40,000 Satoshi. As you can see right over here, let's try to look at, you know, LBC. LBC is also one of those, you know, social media cryptocurrencies, and the price of LBC is it's about 17,000 Satoshi right now, but it's because everything was down. But this cryptocurrency as well is its actual value should be way over 40,000 Satoshi. So as you can see, everything is going to go up pretty soon. Like the more everything stabilizes and the more everything gets back to normal, you guys are going to be able to like make some money. So yeah, just look at these gains. Like with this type of you know, this type of cryptocurrency, you're able to make about 3 times your money, like for real, you know, because AMP was actually over 30,000 Satoshi like not so long ago, before any of these, you know, Bitcoin folks happened, and before they had an actual product. Now they have a working product. It's working pretty fine. You're able to make your money. They have like an actual product. Do you guys know this cryptocurrency called Reddcoin? Yeah, Redcoin is also one of those, you know, cryptocurrencies that, you know, which is trying to like implement something which is similar to this. So, well, I don't know. AMP is already doing it, you know, like WildSpark is also doing what, you know, the Red Coin is trying to do, you know, like a tipping coin or whatever. So these guys already have like a product. So best believe people are going to be buying the idea. Of course, it's not really going to be like instantaneously. It's going to like take a little bit of time, as with everything. Like Facebook didn't just become like as big as it is right now, like when it was released. Like it happens gradually. So this is a great product right over here, and I believe this is going to change the way creators make money. This is going to change the way people actually use social media, because now you actually have the ability to make money just by pretty much sharing content. You know, like you don't really have to be a creator. You can just be getting and sharing important, or rather, you know, things that really people want to watch, and you'll be able to like make money. You understand? So that's pretty much amazing, and it's going to revolutionize how social media is going to be used. So if you are like a short-term trader, you can sell around this area. You understand? So best believe the price is going to go up close to 13th August. So yeah. By the way, I also own a little bit of Reddcoin, so yeah, just in case it also blows up. I'm also holding a little bit of Reddcoin as well. But Reddcoin has been stagnant for like a very long time, and they don't really have any product yet. They've always been like postponing everything. So I'm very frustrated at the Reddcoin devs and everything. But anyway, so I explained to you guys what you're supposed to do, right? And by the way, you guys also have to look at a lot of different aspects before you buy a coin. Like for example, before you just go on and buy a particular cryptocurrency, you have to look at the sell orders. You have to, you know, look at the chart, like what's really happening. You know, you have to look at the buy orders versus the sell orders, because this is very important. Because as you can see right over here, the sell orders are way more than the buy orders. You understand? So yeah, just make sure that you see everything. So as you can see right over here, right, the price is about 9,710, right? And probably like in the next coming hours, the price is going to reduce. You understand? So that's why you have to be a little bit patient, and always make sure that you get the price pretty cheap as well. So yeah, just look out for this coin. Mark my words, it's going to be around 22,000 Satoshi. Like you've got a chance of really tripling your money, like easily with this one, because it's going to go crazy before 13th August. Okay, so Stratos, people are mentioning Stratos. Beba said Stratos is also a good one. I already recommended it. Like I did a couple of videos on Stratos, and my group already knows, you know, about Stratos as well. So anyway, let's move over to library. Now this one I'm excited about. I am so excited about. And people were saying that library credits was going to actually reach, I don't know, close to $5 by the end of this year. So if you look at the price right now, it's only about 47 cents. And yeah, it's been steadily, going up. And yeah, it's just one of those coins. It's also another social media coin, which is also going to do well because they do have a product, ladies and gentlemen. Like, these people are actually being very serious with their business right about now. So library credits is one of those social media. It's more like a YouTube of cryptocurrencies. It's more like a Netflix of cryptocurrencies. But anyway, let me just show it to you right over here because I believe I downloaded it. I believe I downloaded, library credits. Where the hell is library credits? I did download it yesterday. Yeah, here it is. So library credits is one of those, social media cryptocurrencies, and it looks pretty amazing. Like, everything is like in the blockchain, and you're able to like make money selling content. You're able to like, pretty much just make a whole lot of money. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's wait for the blocks to finish loading. Like, what the hell is this? 57 blocks behind. All right, so while this is happening like in the background, let's just quickly look at the website of library credits. So library is a free, open, and community-run digital marketplace. You own your data, you control the network. Indeed, you are the network. Hollywood films and whatever. So this is pretty much, it's more like just, a content sharing platform where you get to like pretty much do everything that you do on YouTube, on Netflix. This is going to be big like in the next coming, I don't know, 5-10 years, because everybody's going to be for the idea of being decentralized, and cryptocurrencies are going to be booming. So just think of this as a YouTube in its infancy. Just think of this as Netflix before it became big. You understand? So this is just the beginning. This is why I always keep on saying that now is a great time to be alive. Yeah, we are in library credit right now. So this is pretty much how library credits looks like. Okay, so yeah, it looks like this. This is the whole product right over here. And yeah, I think that they recently released the open beta. Like, everybody can download this. So if you guys really want to check this out, you can always go to library credits. You can always download it, and hell yeah, you can always try to like put your content there. So this is pretty amazing as well. So as you can see, this guy is a very famous cryptocurrency news blogger. This is crypto. He already has an account. Let's look at what he has. So yeah, it pretty much looks like, I don't know, like YouTube or something. So this one right over here, library credit, is also going to increase in value like pretty soon because they are actually working. And yeah, now is the right time to like get on the bandwagon. So this is the library credit platform. So whenever you guys have got time, you can always look at it. So as you can see right over here, people have the ability to like charge for their content. Like, this one has a free whatever. Like, for this one, I can just watch it for free. And this guy is actually, he's actually charging about 1.1 LBC. And this one is about 10 LBC. What the hell? Jesus Christ, people really want to make money. So it's all about making money. As you can see right over here, we have different categories. We've got films, shows, and everything. So you can actually like record a film and you can actually sell it. You understand? So if you guys have got very good, great ideas about cryptocurrencies and all that stuff, you can always like try to like make some money off of your talent. So this is pretty amazing. But personally, I haven't done anything. I haven't published anything yet because I'm still studying everything. So I'm sure here I can type my name and everything. Then I can be able to like upload my video and my content, and then I might be able to charge, put my price. As you can see right over here, I can either do it for free and I can choose the price as well. So wow, you've got dollars and you've got library credits. So you can actually charge people in terms of dollars and in terms of library credits. By the way, LBC or library credits is just like, cryptocurrency, the unit of this whatever platform. So that's pretty amazing. And these are the types of innovations we really need, because when people start using such types of platform, right, a lot of people won't even be having an idea that they're actually using a blockchain. You understand? This is what cryptocurrencies need. We need platforms like these that really help people to make money without them understanding anything about blockchains, because the idea of blockchains is very complicated to like a layman. But if you have such types of platforms where people don't really even know that they are using a blockchain, now cryptocurrencies are going to go to the next level. So this is an amazing project as well. I really love it, and I really think it has got like a bright future. This is what's really going to be like very hot in the next 10 years. Like, this is just the beginning, like this is Facebook in 2000 and when was Facebook created? I don't know. This is Facebook in 2003, I guess. So now let's look at a little bit of, LBC, what the price is. LBC. As you can see, everything is going up pretty fast. Everybody in my group, I'm sure I told my people to get LBC. So to all those people who are part of my group, you already know I told you about these things. So you should be in profit right now. So as you can see, it grew by 13%. Like 13% is also a great number. Not a lot of coins are able to like grow 13% like in 2 years. So as you can see, there's a lot of demand for this thing. And by the way, when more people actually sell their BCC, which is Bitcoin Cash, they are going to be buying back a lot of alternative coins, and the prices is going to go way up. So if I were you, I would probably buy it cheaper. I'm not really going to tell you what price point you're actually going to buy it, but just try to get it cheaper. Just keep your eye on this, because it's going to go to the moon. Well, not really like soon, but I don't know. This coin right over here has got the potential to be like a $5 coin, and I heard it's going to be $5 at least by the end of this year. So this is a great coin, and yeah, just wait for it. Just try to get it cheaper, obviously cheaper than 14,000. If you can get it at 12,000 Satoshi, that would be amazing. But just try to like keep this, buy this and hold it for like the longest time, because you're actually going to be able to make a whole lot of money from this, because this take is actually very, very nice. Somebody is talking about our door Vahid. All right, I'll check it. I will definitely check our door out as well. Yeah, but that will be a little bit later. So you guys can also check out our door as well, and just see what's going to happen to it. So now let's look at Digibyte. Let's look at what Digibyte is doing. Digibyte is a crazy coin. It's a crazy coin because, I don't know, there's like a lot of pumping and dumping going on with Digibyte. So, oh my god. But anyway, as you can see, the graph looks pretty, I don't know, it doesn't really look that interesting, but I'm sure you guys were around this area, right? It was like around 2,500 Satoshi. Then it went down. It went really, really down. Let's try to see the buy orders versus the sell orders. So as you can see, everybody's trying to get out right now. So if you were to buy, I don't know, Digibyte, just try to get it cheaper. Like, don't rush. Just wait for people to like get their profit, and then you can get in. But I mean, these were great price points to get in. I usually tell a lot of people to like get in around these areas. There was a time when Digibyte was about 346 Satoshi, not so long ago. So these are the areas that you guys should be buying in, a lot of these cryptocurrencies. But Digibyte is also one of those coins which is going to do well, especially in September, because I believe in September, again, the Citibank awards are going to be here, so the prices are definitely going to go up, just like what really happened around this area. But I don't really trust Digibyte, because Digibyte is like manipulated most of the time. But like, I usually just trade Digibyte. I don't really, it's not really one of those coins which I'm like, oh, this one is going to take me to the moon. Digibyte is like one of those short trades. Like you buy it, whenever you get, I don't know, 50% of your money back, you get out. Then you buy back cheap. It always does that. You understand? So, but I believe it's also going to be one of those cryptocurrencies which are going to be extremely good because it's very fast, has got segregated witness, and yeah, the devs just need to find like a very good idea. Then it's definitely going to be one of those big cryptocurrencies out there. So this one is also going to do very well as well. Probably September, August is also going to do a little bit. You're not really going to make that much money, but it's going to make you at least about, I don't know, 40% of your money. Yeah, so Pakovia is saying that Digibyte is going to go 400% in this month. Are you sure? Are you definitely sure? You think it's going to go 400%? What criteria are you using? Like, what do you have? Like anything that's really, where did you get that idea from? Like, what's really happening for Digibyte this month? But I hear that a lot of cryptocurrency experts are really saying Digibyte is going to be one of those coins which is going to do extremely well in August. But I think it's going to do extremely well in September. September is my, I'm giving Digibyte September. Like by the end of September, you're able to make a lot of money from Digibyte. But this month, I don't know. This month, maybe it might go up 75%. I don't know. Pakovia, please let me know in the comments section below. But guys, if you really want to get Digibyte, try to get it below 500 Satoshi. Just try to put in your buy orders, then get it around that price point, because right now it's about 732. It's pretty high. I know you guys are very rich, but just try to get it below 500 Satoshi. Believe me, because people are trying to sell Digibyte right now, so now is not the time to like get in. Just try to get it below 500 Satoshi, then you'll be good. You will be good as well. But anyway, let's look at NEO. I'm sure a lot of you already know what NEO is. ANTSHARES, it's one of those cryptocurrencies that you're able to like make a whole lot of money off of. So I keep on telling people that if I were to buy only one type of coin, only one cryptocurrency, if I was told, hey, crypto hype, what coin should I buy? Like you're only given one option. I would definitely buy NEO. NEO is going to it's going to go crazy. NEO, by the end of this year, you're able to like make 1000% of your money. By I don't know, by June next year, I'm sure this thing is going to be way above $200, because the Chinese people are very competitive. This is like the Ethereum of China. Chinese people are very competitive, and they'll do whatever it takes to take NEO up, on the cryptocurrency ladder. So that's what I'm trying to like get on the bandwagon and just ride the, the wave with them, because I know what the hell Chinese people are. Chinese people are very competitive, and they're always going to make sure that their cryptocurrencies are always going to be on top. And moreover, China is one of those countries which is like really pushing for cryptocurrencies to like globalize and everything. So like they are one of those, there are some sort of pioneers when it comes to cryptocurrencies, because a lot of Bitcoin miners are actually from China. So I believe this thing is going to go up. And there was one time when just a moment, let's go to Bittrex, because NEO is not on Cryptopia, so I can't really check the charts and everything, but we're going to use Bittrex. There was one time when ANTSHARES did very well before it was actually rebranded to NEO. So let's look at NEO. Yeah. So as you can see, a lot of cryptocurrencies are doing very well. What the hell is this? NEOS coin? I'm not looking for you. Sorry. What? Is it ANS? They haven't really changed it. So a lot of cryptocurrencies are doing extremely well. Like everything is 14% up, 15% up. So I hope you guys were buying a lot of cryptocurrencies when there was when the market was very shaky. So let me just go to 1 week. So as you can see, these are the types of things that I really like. So Neo is, or rather ANTSHARES is one of those coins that extremely does well. It never really goes down that much. So as you can see, its highest price was about 540,000 Satoshi, about 0.005 BTC, which is extremely well. So I hope you guys managed to get ANTSHARES like around these areas. But even right now, the price of ANTSHARE is, it's not really that bad if you consider what the value of ANTSHARES is going to be like in the future. So, but I would definitely try to get it cheaper. Like don't rush to buy ANTSHARES right now because it's going up. Just try to get it cheaper. You understand? So try to get it around these areas, like around 220,000 Satoshi. Try to get it around these areas, because what's going to happen is probably it's going to go a little bit up, then it's going to go down, then up, then boom, again it goes down. So just try to get it as cheaper as you can. But best believe August, September, November, December, these are going to be great months for Neo or ANTSHARES. So you guys have to make sure that you have ANTSHARES, because I really believe in ANTSHARES, because Chinese people are going to work their asses off just to make it very competitive, just as competitive as Ethereum. So it has got very great technology. Developers are able to use any programming language. People can use JavaScript, C#, whatever, any programming language. People are able to use that. So you have to do your own research, but I really believe it's going to do extremely well. So last but not the least, let's look at another cryptocurrency that a lot of people don't really know about. So just let me know in the comment section if you guys have heard about this particular cryptocurrency called VISIO. It's supposed to be visual, right? Like visual, like I can actually see you, visual. All right, so this cryptocurrency right over here, VISIO, this is also amazing, fantastical. I really believe in this. And yeah, there's going to be a whole lot of news coming from VISIO this month. So the price is going to go extremely parabolic in August, September, October, like the remainder of this year. This cryptocurrency is going to be around, I don't know, 40,000 Satoshi, around that area. So let's just briefly look at what VISIO is all about. So VISIO is also a content aggregation platform, a distributed content aggregation platform on the blockchain. So it's more like LBC. Remember what I was showing you, right? I was showing you what the hell LBC is, library. This one right over here. Remember we looked at library, right? So this is a direct competitor of LBC. Okay, so let me just show you. And I really believe it's going to be way better than LBC. So LBC. So as you can see, LBC is about 47 cents. All right. And the price of VISIO is only 3 cents right now. So this is a direct competitor of LBC. And look at the price of LBC. LBC is about 47 cents. And by the way, VISIO is way better than LBC because it's going to have masternodes, which are going to be like implemented. People are going to be able to like use masternodes and everything. Then people are going to be able to like, use it for music distribution, just like iTunes. And people are going to be able to like let me just show you let me go to the VISIO Slack, because I'm part of the Slack as well. So yeah, because I really love to like get the information directly from the devs and everything. So as you can see, yeah, they also have like a Steemit blog. They have a Steemit blog, and they really explain everything, you know, like everything is pretty understandable and you're able to like get the whole idea. So I really encourage you guys to actually go to Steam it and read everything about VISIO, because this thing is going to be amazing, because they're going to be able to have you know, decentralized music. They are going to be able to have you know, master nodes, and they're also going to have like video sharing, you know, capabilities, just like YouTube, just like Netflix. So it's going to be like all in one. It's going to be like iTunes, it's going to be like YouTube, it's going to be like Facebook, like everything is going to be in VISIO. You understand? So that's amazing. And the fact that it's going to have master nodes, that's going to be insane. Crazy stuff. So let's look at the site. The site looks very professional, very professional. So I really encourage you guys to like read up about this, and you guys are going to be very excited. So I'm looking for the white paper. Where is the white paper? VISIO white paper. Do they have like a white paper right over here? Investor. I want to see you what the white paper is all about. Okay, let me go. Let me do this. So VISIO Bitcoin talk, because I'm trying to see the roadmap, because the roadmap has got like all those details perfectly highlighted. I want you to like see what I'm actually talking about, but it's amazing. It's amazing. So this is the Bitcoin Talk forum. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. So development roadmap. So March, May. Hey, where's the other roadmap? Where is the other roadmap? I saw it somewhere, and they're like perfectly highlighted everything that was going to be implemented, because this is like an old roadmap. They have a very new roadmap. So let me try to look for it on VISIO Reddit and see if it's there. So VISIO Reddit, I saw it, I swear to God, and they have pretty exciting stuff. So I just wanted to like show you guys VISIO Coin Reddit. Is it this one? I don't think it's this one. Is it? I don't think it is. Where is it? So just a moment. Twitter. All right, let's look at what they have on Twitter. It's probably there as well. And by the way, they actually released you know, like a pre-alpha beta version of this platform. So if you guys happen to like have signed up for their platform, you guys should have received the invitation or something. So yeah, Q3. Right now, we're actually in Q3, right? And this is what they're working on right now. Right now, they're working on the content management system, the user management system, the vault system, and everything. So yeah, looks pretty amazing. But I really wanted to show you the roadmap, because on the roadmap, they have the masternode implementation, whatever, things shown like pretty clear, like everything is pretty clear. So you guys, you have to look at the roadmap on, you know, at your own particular time. So as you can see, I'm going to have all the links in the description, and you'll be able to like see all this information for yourself. So right now they have a pre-alpha testing you know, version of this platform. So a lot of people are actually going to like test it like forehand. So this is amazing. So I don't really know when the beta version is going to be released, but it's going to be I don't know, probably like in the next coming months. So I'm really excited, because these guys obviously already have like, you know, they already have a product. Because I hate cryptocurrencies that haven't done anything for the past 3 years, but these guys actually have, you know, these guys actually have a product, so that's pretty amazing. So VISIO is also one of them. Just like I told you, it's going to be just as high as library credits, because these guys are very they are competing like in the same area. So obviously it's very natural for VISIO to be like around this area whenever they have their thing done as well. So let's look at the total supply of VISIO, because library credits has got about 466 million, but it only has about 68 million circulating supply. So let's look at VISIO. Let's look at VISIO. Yeah, wow, VISIO has actually got it has got only 62 million total supply. But just like you saw from library credit has actually got more supply than this one. So naturally, after some time, VISIO is going to be way higher than library, because the market, or rather it's going to have a lot of demand. So eventually it's obviously going to be more expensive than library credit. But of course, a lot of factors are going to be able to implement it, because it's all about who's got the better version of the social media sharing platform. So whoever is going to have like a better platform is the one who's ultimately going to be able to like withstand all the pressure. So, but according to the way everything is, VISIO seems to have like a better platform, even though they haven't really like done everything. But on paper it looks pretty amazing, because it's just crazy. You guys have to read about all these things. So stacking is saying the roadmap is at the bottom of VISIO's website after clicking about. So yeah, let's look at yeah, let me look at the roadmap. Somebody's actually telling me where it is. He says it's at the bottom. Ah, yeah, roadmap. Thanks a lot, stacking. Stacking 9mm. Thanks a lot, buddy. So as you can see, this is the roadmap, right? We are in Q3 right over here, right? This is what we are in right now, and they're actually doing this, right? Then in Q4, this is what they're going to be doing. This is what we're waiting for. They're going to have like a bounty system, API payment system, ADS, or rather, is that ads? Yeah, ads. So yeah, you're going to be able to like get ads on your content just like YouTube, and then bada bing, bada boom. Masternodes. Everybody loves masternodes. Masternodes. Just look at that. Look at that. So show me any social media cryptocurrency that has got like an ability to have masternodes. And you know what's going to happen when masternodes are implemented? A lot of people are going to hold on to VISIO coins, and that's going to drive the price high. So not only do they have like a very, very amazing project / product, they're going to have these amazing features. That's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, the white paper looks pretty amazing. So this is going to be implemented by the end of this year, so it's not so long from now. Like we are close, ladies and gentlemen. We are close. So right now, I don't really know how many coins are needed for the masternodes, but best believe because I'm like in the VISIO Slack. Yeah, I'm going to ask them. As a matter of fact, let me just ask them right now. So let's do it together, because we're amigos. So quick question. So how many coins, or how many VISIO coins are going to be needed? For the masternode. Any idea? All right, so I just asked that question. Then obviously when somebody gets back to me, you guys are going to be able to like see the answer. So you guys better be ready, because this right over here, it's a bomb right over here. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. I'm sure a lot of you guys never heard about VISIO. So in case you guys make a little bit of money from VISIO, just remember, it's your boy Crypto Hype, man. Crypto Hype. Yeah, so now let's look at the prices of VISIO. If I were you, what price would I get VISIO at? And by the way, this month the devs are going to be rolling a lot of, you know, great stuff about VISIO, so the price is going to go drastically up. So as you can see, you guys have got this ability to actually see VISIO at this particular price point, because this is easily a 15,000 Satoshi cryptocurrency coin. So this is the, I believe this month is going to be the last month that the price is going to be this low. So you guys have got this chance to like get it if in case you like the idea. So as you can see, here it says the prices are going to go a little bit down, the prices are going to reduce, and let's look at the buy orders versus the sell orders. So as you can see, everybody's trying to sell, everybody's trying to freaking sell. So let's go at the bottom here. So as you can see, right now 1,423. So the sell orders are higher than the buy orders, as you can see, but I believe you're able to get it a little bit cheaper. So if I were you, I'll try to get it around this price, about 1,300 Satoshi or lower, you know. But in case you guys don't really manage to like get it cheaper, you can always adjust your buy, you know, your buy whatever order. So yeah, just look at the prices and everything. In case you guys really need some more guidance, you can always come to my, you know, private Telegram community. I usually talk to everybody, so you guys can ask me any questions, and I'll be able to like help you. So this is pretty amazing as well. But anyway, as you can see, it's about minus 3% down. It's not really a big deal because I know it's going to go up. It's not really a big deal, but anyway, just try to get it as cheap as you can. So yeah, these are pretty much the coins that I think are going to do extremely well in the coming months. Even in August, these coins are going to do extremely well. Yeah, able, like if you have about, I don't know, if you have about $50,000 you know, dollars in August, you're able to make about $200,000, I believe, because with cryptocurrencies like SYNEREO, you're able to like triple your money. You know, like I already told you what SYNEREO is going to do. This one right over here. This one is going to go about 30,000 Satoshi. So like that, you're able to like triple your money just on SYNEREO alone. So yeah, amazing times. I'm really happy that everything is going to go back to normal. You know, we are at 100 billion market cap right now, so the prices are going to go back up and everybody's going to be making money. So what a great time to be alive. So I think that's about it. Thank you very much. Big shout out to everybody who you know, everybody who's watching the stream right now. Big shout out to Pakovia. How do you join my private community? Well, in case you want to join my private community, just send me an email. The email is like on my it's like on my YouTube channel. Just send me an email and I'll give you the, you know, the links and everything. So yeah, you can do that. And Moses says Further Coin. Let's look at Further Coin. But isn't Further Coin like a pump and dump? What's the supply is about 169 million, and where can you buy Further Coin? Can you buy it on Cryptopia? All right, let's look at Cryptopia. Further Coin. This one right over here. So I hope it's not a pump and dump, because I hate pump and dumps, you know. So let's see what's happening with Further Coin. Yeah, Further Coin looks pretty amazing, but what's Further Coin about? I've never actually looked into Further Coin, but you know, looking at things, yeah, the price looks pretty amazing. So I don't know, I don't even know what Further Coin does, but anyway, you guys are able to like do your own research and everything. So yeah, Pakovic says Further Coin is a really old coin. Yeah, but what's it about? I don't even have an idea what Further Coin is all about. So let's look at the coin briefly and see what's going to happen. Leading Neoscript. Further Coin is a powerful open source digital currency with monetary properties linked to Bitcoin, Litecoin, and okay, so they are basically, I don't know, like a clone of Bitcoin and Litecoin. Like, what do they do? The only thing that I'm seeing here is Bitcoin, Litecoin. Like, what are you about, ladies and gentlemen? What are you about, Coin? But anyway, in case you guys have a little bit of Coin, you can always do the research. But, you know, my main coins were ANTSHARES, Verge, Digibyte, AMP, LBC, and VISIO. So I think that's pretty much about it. And thank you very much for tuning into my live stream. I hope everything went perfectly fine. So thank you very much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, more great things going to come a little bit later. Thank you. Peace and bye. Have to stop my stream right now. Thanks, guys.